To learn all the concepts from the introduction, you'll work on a small and useful app called Taskie. Taskie, as the name gives away, is used to write down tasks or notes for yourself which you need to complete. To open the project, you should use Android Studio 3.6 or greater. If you've been following our Android Learning Path courses so far, you should have it downloaded. If not, head over to the Android Studio download website and install the IDE. The installation is pretty straightforward and you can choose all the default settings. After installing the tool, open the project located in the student materials of this course. Once it syncs, you can explore the structure. The structure is pretty simple. In the model package, you can find all the data objects which represent various data within the app, such as requests you'll send to the server, responses you will receive from the server, and general models you will show on the UI. The next package is networking, as the name states. It holds the classes required to communicate to the server. Currently, it holds a single class, Remote API, which has fake data and calls implemented, but you'll slowly change this throughout the course. The UI package holds all the files for various features of the app, like the login feature, the main screen with two fragments, profile and notes and their dialogues, and the register screen. The utils package holds some utility functions for the view layer of the app. And finally, app is used to start and create all the shared objects for the app, like the shared preferences. If you run the app, you'll see the general navigation. You can register or log in, and then browse through your notes by priority. Low is green, medium is orange, and red is high. And you can check out your profile, which shows your information and the amount of notes you have which aren't completed. The app will connect to the server, the API, also known as the Application Programming Interface, which I built and deployed. It's a small server which stores the notes for each user, and you can complete them or delete them. Throughout the course, you'll create specific calls for the project. You can check out the documentation for all the API calls you'll implement in the documentation PDF file within each of the projects. So let's get on to working on the project.